welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over the Fundrise invitation system. All right, so the way it works is basically you open up an account. It could be using my link in the description here, somebody else's link, or just simply go to the website, sign up, guys. The point is to get started, guys. You have to take advantage of this invitation referral system. All right, so basically the way it works, guys, you're going to open up an account. You're going to go to invite a friend. Once it brings you to this link, exactly how I'm showing here. All right, so once you hit copy, you're gonna go ahead and send this referral link to all your buddies. Let them know the way the program works. Once they sign up using your invitation code, you're each gonna get $50, guys. So you could get up to $500, I believe. As you can see here, one person accepted my invite. I instantly got $50, which was instantly invested into some of the funds that Fundrise has. All right, guys. So this program is legit. Easy way to make money, guys. You could easily make $500 off of this. All right, so go ahead and find 10 buddies that sign up. Once they sign up, you'll get $500, and then so forth. You could create a little chain system where your buddy could invite 10 people and they'll get $500. So imagine all this free money that's being created, guys, from this. All you will need is an initial deposit of $10 to be able to start with this referral system. All right, guys. Also, as a bonus, you also get fee waivers for the invites that you get. All right, so the more invites you get, your account will be waived from all fees related to Fundrise. All right, guys, for a certain amount of days. I don't know exactly the amount of days, but you can see here 2 people have accepted my invite so far, and I've received a total of 270 days of fee waivers. All right, guys, thank you for the support on the channel. I appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that we can share information with as many investors as possible to help them and yourselves, guys, create financial freedom.